you cry no more.
You're gonna suck it up, accept your responsibilities, and play the roles that destiny has chosen for you.
You're the vessel, Michael's vessel.
The answer's no.
You know who I am.
Lucifer.
You're the one, Sam. You're my vessel.
That'll never happen.
Once I rose above the noise and confusion.
Hi, Lisa. Things are about to get really bad.
Whatever you're thinking of doing, don't do it.
I have to.
The cage you sprung Lucifer from, you can shove his ass back in. The key to the cage? 4 rings. From the Horseman.
Who is it? That's our brother. What do you mean Adam is gone?
The angels took him. Maybe they're moving on from you, Dean.
Think Adam's okay? No! Doubt it.
I hear the voices when I'm dreaming.
What if you guys lead the devil to the edge? And I jump in. Are you idiots trying to kill me?
Carry on our wayward son.
You're going to let your brother jump right into that fiery pit.
What exactly are you afraid of? Losing? Or losing your brother?
Don't you cry no more.